Good afternoon class. Today we will do the reverse bias characteristics using the PN junction diode. So this is the setup for the reverse bias, and same we will use or we have used for the forward bias also. For the reverse bias we require the high power supply, so we are using 0 to 100 volt power supply. Now I will tell you about the connections. I have used the diode for the forward bias, but the connection has been reversed. So in this, what we have to do, we have to take the positive terminal of the voltmeter to the negative terminal, clear, and the negative terminal with the positive terminal of the diode. See, this is the diode, this is having the positive terminal. So voltmeter is given, negative is given to the positive and positive is given to the negative of the diode, clear. And then comes the ammeter one. Ammeter negative is given to the positive of the power supply, and positive of the ammeter is given to the positive of the diode, clear. And then one terminal is left over, that is the power supply negative, that is connected to the negative of the diode. So this was the connection for the reverse bias, and the voltmeter will be in volt and the microampere will be there for the ammeter. Now we will just switch on the power and we will switch on the digital meter. Before starting the practical, I must tell you that I have taken the reading earlier. And I will just verify these readings only, or you will get nearby these readings only. Kindly make it a note. So it is having the same variation as I am showing you. Now let us come to the screen. See, it is 0 and at 0 it is showing 0.06. 0.06 is there. I have written 0.07, that is the variation only that I am getting. Okay. And then again for the 0.1, let us see what is there. 0.2, see 0.34, 0.1, again it is 0.07 I have written and it is showing 0.06. Okay. Then we will just increase it. I have to get the trend that current should be increased in a slow manner, and after a certain interval of time voltage will be constant and this will be increasing negatively. So for that only, see 0.3 is showing 0.07, then 0.4 is also the same thing, 0.5 has shown now 0.5 value, and 0.6 is now 0.98. That is, in my reading I have got 0.6 around, 0.5 around 0.17, and it is showing 0.97 in this reading. So now let us come to know that whatever the trend is there, that is followed or not. See, now 0.6 it will be constant and this will show the increase. That is the trend of the reverse bias graph that we have received or we will receive. See, it is increasing the value of the ammeter, but the voltage value is not increasing. It means it is constant, and see it is increasing. So when this only trend I have taken, you have started the value with 0.06 and now I have recorded it as 0.07. So the same trend is followed as shown over here, and I have plotted the graph also with this. See, this is the graph that I am receiving as per the reading. So this is all about the reverse bias current characteristics using PN junction diode. Thank you.